Hey, it's Sam here from Kitchen Gadgets Club and also the voice behind Magic with Gadgets. And I'm here today with another one of my number one thing. And this time I'm focusing on, well, this applies to both. So either the dual, where you've got two drawers, or when you've got a flex drawer, so there's no divider in the middle and you just got one wide drawer. And I kind of thought to myself, there's lots of things that I would tell people, but what is the number one thing? Well, I would actually say how you actually set the time and temp, because you've got the option that when you're setting the time and temp, you can do what is called matching the drawers. So that means that you can press match, and then if you're cooking the same things at the same time in different drawers, you can just set the time and temp in one go. Or you've got MegaZone. So what MegaZone does is it warms up the whole of the air fryer, and it's keeping it all circulating. But what I've found is that when I'm after particular foods and I need them perfect, that on times when you would normally set it to MegaZone, if you actually set it to match instead, even though you're using the same time and temp and you're filling out the whole of the machine, that when you set it to match, what it does is it really heats down on both areas at the same time, and it can make such a difference. My number one recipe for doing this with is things like if you were doing a cake, or if you were proving bread and you need that perfect cooking time on both areas. So it's really easy to do. So if you've not used the match facility yet on your Flexdrawer, then I highly recommend it. It was made for lazy people, as in instead of having to set the time and temp twice, one for each area, you just do all at the same time, and it's just wonderful. So shall we show you how it's done? So let's head over to my Flex and I'll show you. Right, where is my Flex? Oh, there it is. I'd forgotten where I put it in the kitchen because I've got so many of them out today. So basically, when you're doing the Flex, you have two different areas. You've got the left and the right. So like if you're putting food in there or in there, or you're just putting a load of food and it's spread out like you're doing a big portion of chips, then I recommend the match, because then you've got the air circulation coming in there and in there instead of just spreading. So if you were to set it, obviously I haven't got anything in it at the moment, so I'm just giving you an example. You would turn it on, you get the hello, and then you could first press zone 1. So let's say you wanted to max crisp for 10 minutes. I'm just using that as an example because that's what it presets to. Then to do the match, what you do is you press match, and look, it's flashing for both zones now. And then you press start, and it's now set it to both areas are on the same time and temp. And it's just a brilliant use of this beautiful machine. And then of course, if you were just doing MegaZone, which I don't use MegaZone very often, I normally match both drawers. You just press there, and then it's flashing for that, and then you set your time and temp. And then you can easily flick around between the different buttons. And I would say the ones I use the most is air fry, dehydrate, or prove. I don't really use much of the other ones, just so that you know, a lot of buttons don't get used that much. So there you have it. That is my number one thing for your Ninja Flexdrawer. Thanks so much for listening, and you can find us on social media. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and of course Instagram. And you know, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, or why not head over to kitchengadgetsclub.com/newsletter and join our weekly newsletter, where we go into detail about all our favourite kitchen gadget recipes, tips, tricks and resources. And a ciao for now.